Hello there, folks. Hope you're feeling fantastic and you're ready for question 15 on our 2012 Gauss. If snow falls at a rate of 1 millimeter every 6 minutes, how many hours? So they're telling us about minutes, but they're asking about hours. How many hours will it take for 1 meter of snow to fall? Okay, so this question here is all about unit conversion. We need to know how many minutes in an hour, how many hours in a minute, how many millimeters in a meter, how many meters in a millimeter. That sort of a thing. Okay? So 1 meter in terms of millimeters. So let's write this in terms of millimeters. How many millimeters are there in a meter? Well, you might know that there's 100 centimeters in a meter. I find that one's a bit more common. And then there's 10 millimeters in a centimeter. There's 1,000 millimeters in 1 meter. So instead of asking how long does it take the snow to pile up 1 meter, we could ask how long does it take the snow to pile up 1,000 millimeters. Okay? Now, the snow falls at a rate of 1 millimeter per 6 minutes. Every 6 minutes, we get a millimeter of snow. That was the very first thing they say. So 1 millimeter per 6 minutes, or 6 minutes equals 1 millimeter. This is another conversion. Okay? This is not one of the ones you would memorize from a class, because this is specific to the weather that day. Okay? So it turns out, when you do this calculation, it'll take 6,000 minutes. Okay? 6,000 minutes to get a meter of snow. I got one last conversion because they didn't ask me for the answer in minutes. So, oops. Now we say, all right, how many hours, or how many minutes in an hour? Well, 1 hour is the same as 60 minutes. So divide by 60, multiply by 1, and you have 100 hours. And that's how long it's going to take. Okay? So 100 hours, and that's on the end there. So we'll go ahead and we'll bubble in E. Okay? And I'm not sure if question 16 will fit on our current page. We will find out next time. So feel free to join me for question 16 in the following video.